Guys, good morning people! Merry Christmas everybody! By the way guys, naka-Christmas, kunwari ako costume, kunwari lang yun. By the way guys, we're going to my sister house for today. So, we get some food right there because yung pagkain namin ay siya pong nagluluto every time mag-Christmas. So, nagbabayad po kami sa sister-in-law ko para special yung Christmas namin usually kasi hindi ko naman talaga alam yung pagkain nila British food to how to cook on it. So I don't know guys. By the way, we're going to pick up some food and we take a walk for the dogs for my sister-in-law, and then yeah guys, we'll see you there. So I hope this time, I'm not sure kung makapag-vlog ako sa loob ng bahay. Pero baka hindi guys, hindi ako mag-promise. Baka sa kalsada lang tayo guys mag-vlog. So by the way, Merry Christmas everyone! So Merry Christmas to my family back home. Merry Christmas people! So by the way guys, nasa kusina as usual ako. So Merry Christmas people, and Merry Christmas to your loved ones, and Merry Christmas to my family back home. I miss you guys and hope you have a wonderful Christmas. I know it's not a good time this year for Christmas to everybody because here in UK it's a lockdown, but yeah, we still positive guys no matter what happened right now in the world. But we think positivity in life for the bright future to all of us. So yeah, I will see you there later on guys. Okay, I will wait you. So, antayin na natin si Mister. Sumisigaw po siya. So, mamaya guys, samahan niyo ako sa biyahin namin kasi pupunta tayo dun sa sister-in-law ko. Pero hindi ko sure guys makapag-vlog ako dun sa loob ng bahay nila kasi usually hindi ako nag-vlog sa loob ng bahay nila, okay? Kasi respeto lang po yun kasi important ay may respeto tayo sa ibang tao. So, usually, alam naman nila nag-vlog ako pero hindi ko sila sinasama sa vlog ko usually. So, yeah. Sometimes we need a privacy. So, yeah guys. I didn't do it for vlog there inside the house. We had talking to each other. I didn't include for that. So, in privacy reason for them. So, yun guys. Kasi Briton sila. I'm a Filipino. I'm a different. So, very important and respect for other people guys. So yeah, just Merry Christmas and Happy New Year guys. So yeah, I'm wearing my dress right now. So by the way, yeah, nagaantay. I love this color but I like white. So kunwari may snow tayo. So hindi ako naka-red ngayon kasi last year naka-red po ako. So yeah. So by the way, Merry Christmas everyone, and take good care of yourself and look after your loved ones and be happy all the time guys, and be careful of yourself and love yourself. So yeah, bye, see you later guys. Okay, the sky is too dark like yesterday, very blue. Bright future. Uy. in here, guys. We're walking with dog, with puppy and Dexter. So the last time kami naglakad dito, guys, it's floods. So we climb here, guys. We climb here because the last time we came here, it's so raining and floods. So we have no choice to cross other side. So we climb here, guys. We climb here, this area. So yeah, we are walking. You waiting for me? You waiting for me? Oh, love them, Puppy and Dexter. Come on, love. Come on, top of you. Guys, we are in walking right now with the two lovely dog with us. So by the way, Puppy, come on. She is there. Okay. So we're in the countryside with this area. It's close to my sister-in-law, guys. So it's very cold. Though I have gloves on, by the way, and I have thick jacket as well. And then the other side is no gloves kasi it's cold. So we have the trees. It's very cold. So I think sinisipon tayo, guys. Come on! This is darling ko. Whew. So guys, bye guys, kami tao. Hey! Hey! And there! Malamig. Ang lamig-lamig. It's very cold, guys. So this area is farm. Hello, they're waiting for me. Oh, thank you, both of you. I love you. They're waiting for me. It's so mucky here. It's so mucky. Thank you, my sweetheart. Come on, Dix. Hi, Dix. Pops, thank you. Come on, it's so quiet. Ooh. Come on. Welcome back. Nandito tayo ulit, guys. Here we are. So guys, hope everyone is having a good Christmas for today because we are in having Christmas for walk. And yeah, may hubby right there. Hi, darling. Hi. Hi. He didn't listen to me, guys. Oh, they have a lovely dog, Puppy. And then Dixie over there. Anyway, guys, we're here. So it's quite, very quiet today. Not too many people. Okay? We see some people walking. 1 or 2, 3 like that. But here, guys, with me, look at that. Look at that, guys. Puppy, don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. Okay, kiss namin. Dahil namin nag-kiss. Okay? Dahil namin nag-kiss. Okay. Up. Bye bye, love. Hi, darling. Good girl. Hi, Papi. Come on, Dick. You go there. Come on. Come on, Dick. You go there. Come on, you go there. He don't like it. Hi, very nice. And then the other side. Guys! Hi! 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 Papi! Hi! Oh, yeah. It's really nice here. So by the way guys, yes. Bye-bye na kami. Bye guys. Dito na pala tayo sa bahay by the way. Anyway guys, I'm cooking my potato right here. And we have a broccoli and sprouts. And I have a gravy from the sister-in-law because we are been their house. So I have something here, bacon, and I don't know what it is, but I think it's a cake. And then we have what you call it? Basta ito guys. Charan, matamis to guys, para siyang kamote. Pero i-mix natin yan mamaya all together. And I have a chicken right here. So ihahanda ko to guys for our dinner for Christmas. So yan guys. So, I will see you later on. By the way guys, the chicken, hindi po ako nagluluto nito. I'm not the one cooking. This chicken is for my sister-in-law. Yeah, Wayne's sister. So, she's the one cook chicken for us every year. So, I never been cook a chicken yet since I came here. But in the Philippines, yes, my mom and I will cooking a food for us. But then I have a cake right here guys. So, di ko alam, cake ata, di ko alam tawag dyan guys. By the way, yun lang guys, i-update ko kayo maya magluluto lang ako at nandito na tayo sa bahay, karating ko lang po at naglinis lang ako ng potato so that I can cook and then we can eat because I'm a bit hungry though. So anyway guys, see you a little bit later on, okay? And then by the way, this is my Christmas flower right there. Charan! O diba guys? So by the way, see you later bit. Okay.